You know, one of the, well, I'm gonna tell you for yourself, one of the great things I like about both of you guys is that you explain what you're doing and and that's awesome.
Yeah.
So,
That's good.
2 cents.
So we got a little spot, this alignment over here. So I'm just gonna rotate to here and I give a quick little push to the joint. All it does is just gaps the joint and your muscles do all the correction. So I'm not really moving bones around, I'm just gapping the joint really quickly and your muscles do all the correction and just release all that pressure. Okay. So you might hear a little popping sound, it's just the pressure being released from the joint. Okay. So let's check the other side, you get a little spot down here as well. Sitting here. Good, very good. Okay, come on up, let's check your mid back. Breathe out. Great. Not too bad, you have a little pressure right there. It's kind of coming up here as well. So lay on this side. Just pull this top leg and scooch you this way. Check the shoulder just a little bit. Same thing, just a little push here. Good, let's go to the other side.